The diameter of soccer ball is approximately 8.65 inches and the diameter of tennis ball is approximately 2.7 inches. The volume of a soccer ball is about how many times greater than the volume of a tennis ball? To find how many times the volume of soccer ball is greater than the volume of tennis ball, first we have to find the volume of a soccer ball and the tennis ball. So we will use formula for the volume of sphere as 4/3 times pi times r to third power. R is the radius. So volume of soccer ball, it will be 4/3 times pi, and we have given that the diameter of soccer ball is 8.65, and we know that diameter is equal to r because we need the radius r, so r is 1/2 of diameter. So we will substitute r by 1/2 of soccer ball. The diameter is 8.65 inches. We will write at the end. So this is equal to third power, of course. So we will use calculator. We have 4/3 times pi times, open parenthesis, we have 1/2 times 8.65, close parenthesis, to third power. So this is equal, we have 338.88. We can write. And we have cube inches because we have diameter in inches. And the volume of tennis ball is equal, the same formula, only we have given that the diameter is 2.7, so the radius will be 1/2 of times 2.7 to third power. So this is equal, we have 4/3 times pi times, open parenthesis, we have 1/2 times 2.7, close parenthesis, to third power. So this is equal 10.3. We can write approximately. Cube inches also. And because we have to find the value of soccer ball is about how many times greater than the value of a tennis ball, so we have to divide value of soccer ball but volume of tennis ball. So this is equal 338.88 cube inches over 10.3 cube inches. So cube inches we can reduce, and we will use calculator. 338.88 divided by 10.3, so this is equal, approximately we can write 32.9. So this is approximately 33. The value of soccer ball is 33 times greater than the volume of a tennis ball. This is my solution.